3, 2, 1, go. Welcome back to another NYC Friday video. We had a week off last week, but there you go. We're back and we are trying to break another world record. Now, this one sounds pretty darn easy. It's eat as many chicken nuggets as you can in 1 minute. So we've got the chicken nuggets prepared. I've weighed out 500 grams, not kilograms, that's a huge amount. 500 grams of nuggets because the current world record is only 315 grams of chicken nuggets. It sounds dead easy, so I'm gonna give that one a shot and see how we get into it. So I've got the nuggets cooked, I've weighed them out, let's get into it. Right, so basic idea, that is 500 grams worth of chicken nuggets. I'll see how much of that I can eat. Minutes on the clock. Breathe. They're not too hot, so we'll go for this. You ready? No sauce allowed, and at the end you have to show an empty mouth. So let's see how we do. 3, 2, 1, go. Well, time's up. Let's see what this thing says. So that currently says, it says almost 300, which means I've eaten about 200 grams. So if I could have just eaten another, you know, bear with me, another sort of 6, 8, maybe 10 chicken nuggets in that time, we'd have won. But there you go. You know, some things sound easy, don't they? But they come out a lot harder. Turns out I can't eat 300 odd grams of chicken nuggets in 1 minute. But that's okay, that's life. And life sometimes is easy, sometimes it's hard. But one thing that is easy is getting to know God. One thing that is easy for you to do is to start a friendship with Him, to start to get to know Him, to take some time just to speak to Him every day. So I want to encourage you this week to spend some time with God, getting to know Him, and yeah, don't be discouraged when things don't go your way. Keep trying, keep going, and eventually you'll get there. Get to know God, and like, subscribe, do all of that. We'll see you next week.